Optical mouse. Optical mouse contains no ball inside it. It uses a device that emits light to detect the mouse movement. Optical sensor or laser is used in these types of the mouse. It is more expensive than machine, mechanical mouse. Most mice today are optical. Wireless cordless mouse. Wireless or cordless mouse is a type of mouse that does not require a wire to work. It transmits data using wireless technology like radio waves or infrared light waves. Air mouse. Air mouse is a motion sensing mouse. It can be used to control objects, media players, and slide shows by moving the mouse in specific directions through the air. For example, the user can raise the mouse up to increase the volume of media player. The air mouse works in the air by detecting hand motion. It does not need to work on the surface. Touch mouse. A touch mouse is a touch sensitive mouse that recognizes touch gestures. It all can also detect the movement of the mouse and traditional click and scroll operations. For example, the user can press a location on a mouse to click, swipe thumb on the mouse to scroll page, or slide multiple fingers across the mouse to zoom. Trackball. A trackball can be used as an alternative to a mouse. This device has buttons similar to those on mouses. It has a large rotating ball on the top. The body of the trackball is not moved. The ball is rolled with fingers. The position of the cursor on the screen is controlled by rotating the ball. An advantage of the trackball is that it takes less space to move than mouse. Trackball is often included in laptop computers. It can also be used as separate input devices with desktop computers. Touchpad trackpad. A touchpad is a small flat surface over which the user moves his fingers. The movement of the finger moves the cursor on the screen. It is also known as trackpad. A touchpad also has one or more buttons near it. These buttons work like mouse buttons. Touchpads are commonly used with the notebook computers. The user can also use an external wireless touchpad with desktop computers. Pointing stick. Pointing stick is a pressure sensitive device. It is similar to a pencil eraser and exists between keys on the keyboard. The pointer on the screen moves when the user purchases the pointing stick. It requires no additional space or cleaning like mouse. Pointing sticks is normally used in notebook computers. Touch screen. A touch screen is a touch sensitive display device. The user can touch different parts of the screen with the finger or stylus to input data and issue command. Many touch screens today are multi-touch and can recognize input from more than one finger at a time. For example, the user can use two fingers to enlarge or rotate an image on the screen. Touch screens are commonly used in tablets, mobile devices, retail stores, checkouts, ATMs, and information kiosks. Some models of desktop computers and laptops easily also have touch screen. Touch screen are popular because the user can interact with the computer easily without any external input devices. Different types of touch screen are as follows. Resistive. The touch screen that have resistive screen can sense the pressure. It can be used with a finger or an ordinary stylus. A resistive screen can also be used by someone wearing gloves. They are only used in lower lower and smartphones. Captivative. The captivative touchscreen can sense the conductive properties on the object, such as finger or specially designed stylus. Captivative touchscreens are much better and responsive to human touch than resistive touchscreen. They are used in most of the higher end smartphones. Pen input. The mobile user usually input data and instructions using a device like a pen. The user can write and draw on a flat surface to give input. The pen input is normally used with touchscreen. The devices used with pen input are stylus, digital pen, and graphic tablets.